I'm not destroying this Kenmore. I've actually taken quite a few parts off of it. It's pretty thrashed up, and if you look closely, you can see this plastic and this neck just deteriorating as I take this screw out. Unfortunately, you can't save all of them. I don't know how badly some people want you to. Yeah, the plastic on this thing is just, it's done. And somebody suggested in a prior video I did on this machine, oh, you should sell this on eBay. And that would be a huge mistake. People would claim an item not as described, claimed so quickly on this piece of junk. It's literally not even worth my time. Which is a lot of the reason why I've started to really distance myself from selling a lot of this crap on eBay. Is it's just not worth it. You know, shipping a $80 vacuum to somebody and shipping is like $45 or $50. Like, and then after eBay's cut, like I'll be lucky to make like 22 bucks. But this thing is just thrashed. The bag is done for. I took the rod and the spring out of it and installed it on that one. What's on the rest of this, obviously I'm going to keep the cord. I'm going to get my switch back because I did install the switch on this one. We'll keep the knob and the screw here, as well as the base plate, the brush roll. I don't think I'm going to bother keeping much else, unfortunately. The rest of this machine's pretty well gone. But I'll keep the springs and stuff like that. But yeah, it's like the amount of verbal diarrhea from people that tell me to just save everything just because they themselves happen to be a collector. They think that literally every single vacuum needs to be saved, when the reality is far different. You know, there is a point when something is just garbage and it would do better being scrapped and recycled than rat-holed into a corner somewhere. Or there's a lot of stuff that can be recycled off of this, a lot of metal. But, I mean, this isn't worth anything. It's broken. And I'm pretty sure that if I put enough force on this thing or hit it against the table hard enough, it would probably snap it. The motor on this one is kind of bad, but I am probably going to keep it. Even this thing I'm going to keep just for now. Not going to keep the wheels. Not going to keep these wheels. Let's go ahead and do this. And I want this motor because the fan on it's still decent. And I think I have some other things I want to do with this motor for a video. Kind of going into more in depth with it repair wise. But what I will do is definitely save this motor. So I can keep this motor for other projects, even though the base of it's messed up. Let's see how bad this hood is. Yeah, junk. Absolute junk. Gross. Yeah, second thought, I don't want this neck. I forgot it's cracked. So I do keep Sanitaire parts. What's worth it anyways. And I keep the stuff, and I do that just in case I find another similar vacuum. I've got a bunch of parts for them on hand. But I will say, this style of vacuum, parts are really cheap for them. So usually, if I do have to buy something, it's not that expensive. Stay tuned for more videos.